Hello everyone. We have to solve this question for the value of a, b, c, and the question is 3 power a plus 3 power b plus 3 power c equal to 117. So let's start the solution of this question. First of all, we will multiply and divide this left side of the equation by 3 power a. So now we have multiplied and divided 3 power a on left side of the equation. Now we will write this 3 power a below each of these terms like this, and then this 3 power a divided by 3 power a will cancel one another, and this will become 1. And then with this we will split this 117 into 9 into 13, and then we will compare these two values. This value 3 power a, we will compare this value with 9, and then we will the other value, this whole value, with 13. So let's compare these values. So 3 power a equal to 9, and this whole value equal to 13, and then we can write this 9 as 3 squared. So now we have same basis over here, so then we can compare the power. So therefore a is equal to 2, and then we will solve this part of the equation. So here we will subtract 1 on both sides when we subtract 1 from here and then from here. So this 1 will cancel this 1, and here this will become 13 minus 1, and 13 minus 1 equal to 12. And now as we have calculated the value of a, we have find out the value of a equal to 2. So therefore we will put a equal to 2 over here. So our equation will become 2 power b divided by 3 squared plus 2 power c and 3 squared, because a equal to 2 and the equation equal to 12. So 3 squared equal to 9. So the equation will become 3 power b divided by 9 plus 3 power c divided by 9 equal to 12. And then we will take LCM of these values. So after taking LCM, the equation will become 3 power b plus 3 power c divided by 9 equal to 12. And then we will multiply this 9 with this 12. So this will become 108. 3 power b plus 3 power c equal to 108. And now again we will multiply and divide by 3 power b on this left side of the equation. So this equation, after multiplying and divide by 3 power b, the equation will become like this. So here this 3 power b will cancel this 3 power b, and then we will have 3 power b into 1 plus 3 power c divided by 3 power b, and we will split this 108 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 4. So why we have split this in base 3? Because we want to compare this value with this 3 power b again. So therefore now we can compare this equation again, this 3 power b with 3 cube, and this value we can compare with this 4. So let's do this. So 3 power b equal to 3 cube, and here this 1 plus 3 power c divided by 3 power b equal to 4. So here we have again we have same basis, so therefore we can compare these exponents or power. So here 3 power b equal to 3 power 3, and this value equal to we will send this 1 on other side, or we will subtract 1 on both sides. So here this will cancel this 1, and then we will have 3 power c divided by 3 power b, which is equal to 4 minus 1, and 4 minus 1 equal to 3. And here we have we will as the bases are same, so b equal to 3. So b equal to 3, and 3 power c divided by 3 power b equal to 3. Then Here we can put b equal to 3 because the value of b equal to 3. So we will put b equal to 3 in this equation. So this equation will become 3 power c divided by 3 power 3 or 3 cube, which is equal to 3. And then we will multiply this 3 cube here with this. So our equation will become 3 power c equal to 3 into 3 power 3. And according to exponent rule, we can write this as 3 power c equal to 3 power 4. Why? Because this 3 power 1 and 3 power 3. So according to exponent rule, when we have same bases, and then we can add their powers. So it means that 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So therefore we can add these 3 and 1. Here basically is 1, so 1 plus 3 equal to 4. So again we have same basis, and therefore we can compare its power. So it means that c equal to 4. So now we have the values of a, b and c. So therefore we will verify the question. So this was a given question, and now we will put the values of a, b and c in this equation, and we'll check either it satisfies the conditions or not. So we have a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to 4. And now we will put these values over here. So we have a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to 4. Now 3 squared equal to 9, and 3 cubed equal to 27, and 3 power 4 equal to 81. So we will write these values. So 9 plus 27 plus 81 equal to 117, and 117 equal to 117. So it means that the equation is verified, and we have these values. So this was the solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question regarding this solution, so you can ask in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.